What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about news, cryptocurrency, digital assets, NFTs, and so on. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I discussing what is going on here, and specifically in this article. So let's talk about it. It says the 1 month liquidation heat map showed that there was a dense cluster of short liquidations just below 800 points per coin that could drag prices higher in the coming days. Shiba Inu coin has the potential to hunt the imbalances left behind during its price move downward, reported by AMB Crypto 2 weeks ago. This medium-term outlook remained unchanged. The recent Shiba Inu coin pullback from the local high to the local low measured 15.59% in under 5 days. While this appeared to signal that further losses were likely, it could be a positive, healthy, short-term development. It says the on-chain metrics reflected accumulation and the threat of profit-taking has not been significant. The metrics pointed towards possible short-term gains in agreement with these imbalances from earlier this month. The imbalances highlighted the daily time frame lined up well with 750 to 800 points per coin retracement levels, and the final upwards target is 900 points per coin before the long-term downtrend resumes. Traders should remember the longer-term bias, but also expect shorter-term gains despite the past week's losses. Now, if we're looking at the overall market, right, it's still in a bearish, I don't know, slump, consolidation, pullback. I hate the word correction, right? Because correction implies that this is the correct price. And I don't believe that $1,900 is the correct price for Ethereum. Matter of fact, Ethereum is very volatile, but over time, the longer term price action is bullish. If we're looking at Ethereum here, since it was $80 per coin, back in, I believe this is 2019, 2020 here, we could take a look at these lower highs that have been hit, and you could see that Ethereum is right there, ready to bounce off. I don't know why this line didn't stay. Right there, ready to bounce off this level. Now, if this is the major long-term support on Ethereum, this is an excellent opportunity to get in, which means that we could be reaching a local bottom. Ethereum could be ready to bounce again, and look what has historically happened when it does bounce off of these levels. A major rally to $5,000, a major rally to $5,000. Now, 5,000 is resistance, but if Ethereum rallies again, it's going to inspire altcoin buying, and it's going to inspire meme coin buying. So I'm accumulating at these levels right here. I bought a little bit more of Ethereum yesterday. Not yet bought anything today. Not sure if I will or not. But nonetheless, right, today, tomorrow, yesterday, I'm in accumulation mode right now because of the fear. Look, if you buy when others are fearful and sell when they're greedy, what you're essentially doing is buying low and selling high. But that goes against everything that everybody wants to do. Everybody always wants to buy high and sell low because they fall victim to the emotion. They buy when they're happy, they buy when they're greedy, they buy when prices are up. They sell when they're scared. They sell when they're fearful. They sell when prices are down. Literally doesn't make sense, right? Now, if we're looking more at the technicals, it says why the recent pullback was healthy for Shiba Inu coin. A bullish structure, green, occurred Saturday on the 14th of February, and the local high and subsequent pullback were already covered, but the H4 context made for better reading. It says the internal bullish structure on the 4-hour, this might be 4-hour context here, not H4. 4-hour time frame remained intact. Additionally, the strong bullish reaction from the 620 point per coin area in recent days confirmed the short-term bullishness. It was likely that Shiba Inu coin could rally as far north as 818 points per coin. Now, final summary. Confluence of the one-day time frames imbalances, the H4 structure's extension levels presented clear upside price targets. The defense of 620, the demand zone, was a good start for the bulls, and the immediate goal will be to overcome 660, and then, of course, reaching 800, 900, and 1,000 points per coin. In anticipation of the gains and in anticipation of the growing industry, I continue to accumulate.